everyone, it's Heather's Plushies, and welcome back to another video in the series. And today we are going to be comparing the Hamleys line and the Living Nature line. So, first off, like the tigers, the Hamleys line has a plastic nose and the Living Nature line has... Oh, wait a second. They both have a plastic nose. Sorry. Okay. So they both have a plastic nose, the same color. Sorry about that. So they both have a plastic nose. And they both have whiskers. And color-wise, the Living Nature line is lighter in color. As you can see, this is the Living Nature line. So, Living Nature is lighter in color, and the Hamleys is darker in color. Let's see their eyes. They both have the same color eyes. I think it's just this particular plush, but this Hamleys one, you can see his eyes are a little covered by his fur. In the Living Nature one, you can see the eyes better. But I think it's just this particular plush because some just have manufacturing errors or whatever. Some are just different. But you can see the Hamleys line is darker than the Living Nature line. What's on your fur? Anyways, their tails, pretty much the same. It looks like the Living Nature line has some airbrushing right here, and the Hamleys line doesn't. Oh wait, he does. I had his tail the wrong way. The Living Nature still has more airbrushing. So let's see floppiness. This is the floppiness of the Hamleys line. He's pretty floppy. And this is the floppiness of the Living Nature line. Also pretty floppy. I would say the Living Nature is more floppy though. Just by a little bit. And here are their tush tags. There's Living Nature. And there's Hamleys. And it feels like the Living Nature, once again, is softer. And let's take a look at you guys' belly, shall we? No difference there. Something else I forgot to mention in the comparison video of the Living Nature and Hamleys tiger is the Hamleys ones seem to be skinnier and the Living Nature ones seem to be a little thicker. I don't want to say fatter, so I just said thicker. The Living Nature's line's mane is softer and I think in more new condition. You could see, but also, I got the Living Nature line brand new. And I got the Hamleys line used. Which, he's not in that used condition. He's actually in pretty new condition. I just don't know if his mane... Like, see how their manes look different? This one looks new and this one looks a little rough. Color-wise, I think the Hamleys line's mane is darker. You can see they both have shading, but the Living Nature airbrushing. The Living Nature has more prominent airbrushing than the Hamleys. And also the toes. You can't see the airbrushing as much on the Hamleys line, but you could see the toenails of the airbrushing on the Living Nature line more. So I hope this video helped you guys determine which one you would like. And sorry, I love them both, so I can't recommend one over the other. All I could do is say I recommend both of them. And if you can get your hands on both of them, that is great. And you can always get one of them and then wait a while and until you find the other one, and then you'll have both. That is what I did. And the reason why I'm doing comparisons between Hamleys and Living Nature is because it really seems like they look pretty similar. And it makes you wonder when you go to buy them. Should I just get one of them since they look similar? Which one should I get? Well, that's what I make these videos for, to help you guys decide. But I definitely recommend both. Of course, like I said, my Hamleys has a little bit of a wonky face. But it's hard to say which one I like better because I love them both. But anyways, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!